You don't have to face a blank page or struggle with formatting anymore. With Canva, creating a beautiful, professional resume is not only easy, it's empowering. Just log into your Canva account and type resume into the search bar. In seconds, you'll see a world of possibilities open up, templates made by designers who understand exactly what recruiters are looking for. Whether you're aiming for something clean and classic or bold and creative, there's a design that speaks your language. Once you find one that feels right, that reflects not just your profession, but who you are, click Customize this template. And this is where the magic happens. Start by adding your name, your story, your experience. Every section, experience, education, skills, is a place to show the journey you've taken and the strengths you've built. And the best part? You don't need to be a designer. Canva makes it effortless to drag, drop, move, resize. You're in control. Want to add a professional photo? Go ahead. Want to match the color to your personal brand or switch fonts to something that feels more you? You can. Just keep it clean, legible, and true to your tone. A great tip, stick to fonts like Arial or Calibri. They're simple, they're respectful, and they get the job done. Need a final touch? Use Canva's Elements tab to bring it all together. Add a subtle line here, a small icon there. It's about enhancing your story without distracting from it. And remember, clarity matters. Use bullet points, strong action verbs. Keep it to one page and always organize in reverse chronological order to highlight your most recent and relevant achievements. When you're ready, when you feel like, yes, this is me, just hit the download button. Choose PDF for applications or use JPG or PNG if needed. You can print it or save it for that big opportunity that's waiting out there for you. And one last thing, don't forget to tailor your resume for every role. Match the language, mirror the keywords. Let each version speak directly to the job you're aiming for. You've got everything you need right here. And with Canva by your side, that next step, it's not just possible, it's just a few clicks away.